Little walking tour of the Bonaire. There's our princess ship there, Ruby. A lot of colorful buildings here, just like Aruba. I guess they're all part of the same ABC islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. A lot of shops and restaurants, bars. Beautiful flowers. Here's the Mona Lisa bar and restaurant. There's a row of nice colorful buildings. Let me go across here. Arr. Some beautiful colors. Somebody's upset. It's almost 9 o'clock, so some of these stores aren't open yet. Mamadou, an original film from Bonaire. There's another bar. Across. Drugstore and souvenir shop. I guess we're so close to the port, everybody's selling souvenirs, even the drugstores. Little Havana. Oh, look at this place with the grass roof. Oh. Some kind of, not sure what it is. Guess this is a harbor front. Oh, it looks like it's some kind of a bar restaurant. Oh, grass thatch roof. Interesting. Look at the top, there's some kind of bird up there. It looks like an eagle of some sort. Look how the water changes from a greenish to a lighter blue to a darker blue. And there's the back of our Ruby Princess there. And a lot of housing on this side of the pier. Again, some beautiful colored I guess these are apartments or condos. Water taxi. And there's a better shot of the Ruby Princess with those grass thatched roofs. A lot of boats out there today. It's a nice day. I love just sitting here. I found a seat, by the way, in the shade. I love just sitting here and watching the boats and the water. I know, I remember when I worked in downtown Toronto, I always used to walk to the harbor front and just sit and watch the boats and have an ice cream and the water. I guess that's why I love cruising so much. And there's a sailboat with the Canadian flag on it. Wonder if he came here all the way from Canada. Probably not. I love listening to the waves crashing onto those stones, or I'm not sure what those are. It looks like a kind of worn, I don't know if it's coral, I'm not sure. Not sure if you can see this or not. There's a number of fish in the water there. I guess because it's shallow. And there must be food for them down there. It's a little aquarium. Yeah, this part of the bar restaurant is under construction, looks like. They're renovating. But the rest of it is open. Cappuccino Bar Restaurant. That's right in the middle of the water. Looks like they're ready for Easter. There it is. Carols.
Where do you go with the water? You bring the two giant Bonaire, little Bonaire, small Bonaire. You can see it there.
Wow, the ruby's tied up all the way down here. I guess it's too shallow over here for any ship like that size. Well, here's a shot of Bonaire from the port. Where the ship's docked. I just walked along there. There's a grass thatched roof. And here's some people going out on a little tour. Again, very colorful, similar to Aruba. tram with the ship in the background. People coming off still and back on. It's only not even 10 yet, but in the morning, but it's hot. There they go.